When building a new house, there's so many options that you have to pick. We're in the process of picking a new roof. So we went with CeDUR Synthetic Shake. The design of the house is rooted in English Cottage Style Homes. So we wanted a product that would complement the architecture of a steeply pitched gable. Some of the reasons why we picked cedar is because it is very practical for southern Utah climate and it is visually pleasing. CeDUR Shakes checked all the boxes for us. A 50-year warranty, there's a Class 4 impact rating. I love that there's no plastic sheen appearance. It's highly durable and lightweight, no mold or mildew growth. There's also a standalone Class A fire rating. There's a natural wood beauty and the most realistic wood texture in a synthetic shake. Customer service was above and beyond through the whole process of ordering and installation of the product. We can totally rest easy knowing that we chose cedar. I'm so happy we went with this product.